Are sump pump failures common?
Some pumps are real common. Check valves and whatnot go bad, floats, power outages on rainstorms, and some pumps will flood in the basement. I'm Tom Oleski with Modernistic Water Restoration.
Hi, I'm Kevin with Modernistic Water Restoration.
I'm Jillian McDonald with Modernistic Water Restoration, serving Michigan since 1973. We're here to handle all of your cleaning needs.
Modernistic has the most certified technicians across the state of Michigan. With over 100 vehicles in our fleet, we can respond to any job, anytime, day or night, 7 days a week. We're on call for you.
We will respond to any emergency within 90 minutes. That is our goal time to be to your home.
Modernistic Water Restoration, simple and quick.